Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Substance Painter. Today I want to talk about the feature of Substance Painter that is symmetry. It helps us to painting. Before you symmetry features, we need first create paint layer and then after use these tools. After you enable this option, you see a red line on your object. This is a symmetry line. You can change its color. When you active manipulator, you can change symmetry line position. This option enables symmetry plane. These are the axes of symmetry. And you can change position of axis. Radial symmetry is the action of painting in multiple locations at the same time.